Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Rocket Money app to manage your subscriptions, track spending, and save money effectively. Step 1. Download or install the Rocket Money app from the App Store or Google Play. Once it's installed, open the app and sign up using your email or mobile number. Step 2. Link your bank accounts and credit cards. This allows Rocket Money to automatically track your transactions and give you insights into your spending. Step 3. Go to the Recurring tab, and here you will see a list of your active subscriptions. You can cancel or monitor any unwanted ones directly from the app. Step 4. Set up your budget by tapping the budgets and choosing spending categories. The app will notify you if you are getting close to your limits. Step 5. Use the Smart Savings feature to automatically transfer small amounts into savings. And you can set the amount, frequency, and your target goal. Step 6. If you are on the premium plan, you can even have the Rocket Money negotiate lower bills on your behalf for things like cable or internet. Rocket Money is a great tool for gaining control of your finances and cutting down unnecessary expenses. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.